Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to explain chapter 2 numbers and sequences. Okay. So in before classes or earlier classes we have discussed chapter 1 relations and functions. Yes. So it is easy to understand the concept everything. So you learned everything. Yes. Relations and functions. Now here chapter 2 numbers and sequences. In that first numbers, so you know already what are the numbers are there. Okay, everything you learned in 9th standard. Okay, we learned already. So here now we are going to learn sequences. Then in that numbers, using numbers, there are three exercises are there: 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So these three exercises we will see later. Now we are going to learn about sequences. Okay, what is mean by sequences? You see. What is mean by sequences? Means, so you know already numbers. So in the numbers you should arrange and write in specific order. Okay. So arrangement of real numbers in specific order, it is called sequences. Arrangement of real numbers in specific order, it is called sequences. Okay, for example, natural number is the sequence 1 2 3 4, some specific order they have arranged and wrote. Yes, so difference between 1. Okay, then or else 2 4 6 8 even numbers are, or odd numbers are. Okay, or like this fraction numbers also we can write 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, up to etc. Okay, so like this some numbers. So this real numbers you should arrange and write in specific order, it is called sequences. So these numbers we can call it as sequences. Okay, so in that sequences each many terms are there, then each term is called as a term. Each element is called as the terms. Okay, so then you can mention as this is a1, next term a2, next term a3, next term a4, up to etc. Then general term an. Okay, the general term we can call it as an. So each element we can call it as a terms. Then we can mention the sequence, we can mention like this: a1, a2, a4, up to etc. An means nth term of the sequences. Okay, so in the question we will find out an. Suppose this sequence, this terms will be given, question has to find an term. Okay, or else in question they will give an, then we want to find the sequences. Like this we want to find the sequences also, like the questions they will ask. Okay, so this is called sequences. This is a sequence definition: arrangement of real numbers in specific order, it is called sequences. Then next, you see here is it's going, there is no n, means it is called, what does that means? Infinite sequence. Okay, it is called infinite sequence. If everything is called infinite sequence because it is going etc. Okay, suppose it's stopped. Suppose here it stopped means, so it is called finite sequence. So sequence, finite sequence and infinite sequence are there. So its end will be there, it is called finite sequence. There is no end, it is called infinite sequence. Okay, next you see sequence as a function. When the sequence as a considered as a function, when the sequence as a considered as a function, you see a sequence can be considered as a function defined on the set of all natural numbers. So when this defined as a set of all natural numbers, so a function is defined as the sequence defined as a function means considered as a natural numbers. Okay, defined on the set of all natural number is tends to R, real number. Okay, so this is called sequence as a function. When the sequence is considered as a function means is defined on set of all natural numbers. So natural numbers you want to take is compare with the real numbers. Whatever number you can compare, this is called sequence is considered as a function. Then we can write it as sequence f of sequence considered as a function can be defined by f of k is equal to ak, because already I have explained the sequence is mentioned into a1, a2, a3 up to etc. an. So here I am using ak. That means k value will be 1, 2, 3 up to etc. Can mention an also, it is correct only. Okay, that means here f of n want to write. Okay, so when the sequence is considered as a function means the function f of k is equal to ak, then k is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the sequence of a function. Then using that sequences we are going to solve exercise problems. See exercise 2.4, first question, first problem, first subdivision. Find the next three terms of the following sequence. So question itself is given, it is a sequence. In that sequence we want to find next three terms of the sequences. Already three terms are given, next three terms you want to find. For that, see solution. First given sequence you should write. Given sequence is, okay, given sequence is 8, 24, 72 up to etc. Next three terms, then means you should compare first two terms, first three terms you should compare what they did in between. Okay, sometimes they will use four operations also. Some numbers they will add, some numbers they will subtract, some numbers they will multiply, or some numbers will divide. Okay, like that any modification they will do. So here you check it as 8, 24. So they didn't added any number, they didn't subtract also any number, didn't divide also any number. Here 24 to 72. So see, so in between, actually here this two number in between they multiplied by one number. What number? See, so here they multiply by 3. So 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 72. Okay, so they have multiplied. So while want to check, okay, what they did in between. So the difference want to check first. So here the number 3 is multiplied. Okay, that means next three terms also you should multiply by 3, we will receive the answer. So see here, want to write each number or each term, each number is multiplied by 3. Okay, multiplied by 3. Okay, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. Next 72 3s are, okay, 72 3s are, you should multiply 216. Next 216 3s are, okay, 648. Next 648 3s are, okay, 1944. So like that. Therefore the next three terms are okay, what are the next three terms are 216, 648 and 1944. Okay, that's all. So, see next second point. So the sequences 5, 1, minus 3 up to etc. Next three terms want to find. So see solution. So given sequence is 5, 1, minus 3 up to etc. Okay, next three terms want to find. Okay, next three terms. So here you consider 5, next here 1 is there. Then means 5, which one it's go, we will get 1. The number 4 will go, means 5 you should subtract with 4, we will get 1. Next the number 1 you should subtract with 4, we will get minus 3. So in between they what they did, they subtracted by 4. So next three terms also you subtracted by 4, we will receive the answer. Okay, here each number is subtracted by 4. So 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4 1, 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, minus 7. Minus 7, minus 4, we will receive minus 11. Minus 11, minus 4, we will receive as a minus 15. Okay. Therefore, the next three terms are, actually we are subtracting only. Okay. Minus 4, you should subtract with the third term. So here, third term is minus 3. Minus 3 you should subtract with the minus 4. Next minus 7. Getting answer you should subtract with the minus 4. Next getting answer you should subtract with the minus 4. We will receive the next three terms. Therefore, next three terms are minus 7, minus 11, minus 15. Okay, that's all. Next see third point, 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16 up to etc. it is going on. Okay, here in this question we want to find next three terms. Okay, in this sequence we want to find next three terms. See solution. Given sequences, given sequence is 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16 up to etc. Here it is given fraction form. Here it is given fraction form. It means numerator and denominator you want to see separately. Okay. Here numerator is you see 1, 2, 3. Next what want to come 4, 5, 6 up to etc. So it is increasing by 1. Okay. Numerator is increased by 1. So see right here each number. Okay. Each number in numerator is increased by increased by 1, and each number in denominator is denominator in, you see here is denominator, you check here 4, here 9, here 16 up to etc. it is going on. So here you see 4 after 9, 9 after 16, it is like square number. Yes, 2 squared 4, 3 squared 9, 4 squared 16, next 5 squared 6 squared 7 squared, like that it will go on. So each number in denominator is squares. Okay, it is a square numbers. Okay, each number is denominator is square numbers. Then means here 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 square, or else directly we can write 1 by 2 square, comma here 2 by 3 square, next 3 by 4 square, next 4 by 5 square. Next three terms are 4 by 5 square, next 5 by 6 square, next 6 by 7 square. Okay, therefore you want to write it as, therefore the next three terms are 4 by 25, 5 by 36, 6 by 49. Okay, that's all. Because 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. Numerator is increased by 1, denominator is called square numbers. Okay, that's all answer. See next second question. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth terms are given by an is equal to n cube minus 2. Okay, it is easy. Before question it is given sequences first 3 terms, then next 3 terms want to find. So comparing first 3 terms, then we did next the next 3 terms we found. Okay, here it is given nth term. Using nth term we want to find first 4 terms of the sequences. Then means instead of n you want to substitute. First term means 1, second term means 2, third term means 3, fourth term means 4. Okay, like that you should substitute instead of n. Okay, now see solution. Given nth term is given nth term is an is equal to n cube minus 2. Okay, here down one write an. Now put n is equal to 1, first term. A1 is equal to 1 cube minus 2. 1 cube value 1, 1 minus 2 we will receive as a minus 1. Next put n is equal to 2. So A2. So 2 cube minus 2. So okay, 2 cube instead of n 2 cube. This 2 you should write 2. So 2 cube means 3 terms want to multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 2, 6. Next put n is equal to 3. So A3. So 3 cube. Okay, instead of n 3. So 3 cube minus 2. So here 3 you should multiply it by 3 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 minus 2 we will receive as a 25. Okay, next put n is equal to 4. So A4. So 4 cube minus 2. Okay, 4 cube. So power is, you should not change, power is cube only. Instead of n only it is changing 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cube. 4 3 times want to multiply. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 minus 2 we will receive as a 62. Okay, therefore here asked only first 4 terms. Therefore the first 4 terms are four terms of the sequence. Or else first 4 terms are, we can write minus 1, 6, 25, 62. Okay, this is 4 terms. That's all. See next second point. Next 4 terms want to find, first 4 terms of the sequence want to find, whose nth term is an is equal to minus 1 power n plus 1 into n plus 1. Dot means multiplication is the meaning. Okay, so n into n plus 1. So see solution, given nth term is an is equal to minus 1 power n plus 1 dot n into n plus 1. First instead of n you substitute 1. Put n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 dot 1 of 1 plus 1. Okay, step by step you write. Now minus 1 power 2. 1 plus 1 2 dot here 1 of 1 plus 1 2. Now minus 1 square means plus 1. Okay, because minus 1 into minus 1. Multiply minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So plus 1 1 dot 1 into 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2. 1 into 2, 2. So answer is 2. Next, put n is equal to 2. So A2. So instead of n 2, so minus 1 power 2 plus 1 dot 2 of 2 plus 1. Now minus 1 power 3 dot 2. Here 2 plus 1 3. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. Here minus 1 cube means we will receive as a minus 1. 3 times. Power is odd number means negative value will get. Power is even number means we will receive as a positive. So minus 1 cube value minus 1 dot 2 3s are 6. So minus 1 into 6 we will receive as a minus 6. Okay, next put n is equal to 3. So A3 is equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 1 dot 3 of 3 plus 1. Okay, instead of n 3 of 3 plus 1. So minus 1 power 4. 3 plus 1 4 dot here 3 of 3 plus 1 4. Now power is even number means minus 1 power 4 we will get it as a positive 1. So 1 dot here 3 4s are 12. So 1 12s are 12. 1 12s are 12. Okay, then next instead of n you should substitute 4. Okay, put n is equal to 4. Then A4 is equal to minus 1 power 4 plus 1 dot 4 of 4 plus 1. Now minus 1 power 4 plus 1 5 dot 4 of 4 plus 1 5. Now power is odd number means we will get it as a negative. Therefore minus 1 power 5 means minus 1, you will get minus 1 dot 4 5s are 20. So minus 1 into 20 we will receive as a 20, minus 20, minus 20. Therefore the first 4 terms are first one we received as a 2. Okay, first we received as 2, next term minus 6, next 12, next term we received as a 20, minus 20. Alternately we are getting negative. Okay, first positive, next negative, next positive, next negative, like that. Okay, so this over.